What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. It's Mr. Cricks with another e-bike long form. We got the Ridstar here. Just got a Baja light and Motocuts front plate from Revolt Rides. I put their website right here. It's got a switch on it, and I got the yellow one because I think it looks a little better on the Ridstar. But for the first little bit of time of this video, we're not going to be riding a Ridstar. We're going to be riding this bike. Now, this bike you may not have heard of. This is called a Birchta R5 Pro. The OGs on the channel may know this is the bike I used to ride almost every day. And believe it or not, Birchta is the sponsor of today's video. Now, since I'm a smaller YouTuber, got about 4,200 subs right now, they said that they could not send me a bike, but they could give me a discounted model. I said, that's alright, I already have one of your bikes, I can just do a review on that. If I have a code for this bike, I'm not sure if I do yet or not, the code will be right here on the screen. But yeah, for the first little bit of this video, we're going to be riding the Birchta, and then after that, we're going to ride the Ridstar. I'm going to give you my thoughts on the Birchta, and yeah, let's get into the video.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me.
Alright, so like I said, I had this bike for a while when I started doing YouTube. So I've had this bike for about 3 years or so. It is an old bike and it's been sitting in the shed for a while, so it does need the brakes to be bled. So yeah, the brakes aren't really good right now because they got to be bled, but stock, let me tell you, the brakes are so good. The Birchta R5 Pro comes with a 48 volt 28 amp hour battery. You can get up to about 65 miles of range with one charge. An extra battery is about $300 to $400, so if you're someone that likes to do long range riding, that could be an option for you. The Birchta, I'm pretty sure it comes with either a 1000 or 1500 watt motor. You can get up to about 32 miles an hour on this bike. This is a great bike for somebody that goes hunting or does like mild off-roading, or you live on an off-grid property. This is a perfect bike for you. It's also really good for what I'm doing right now. It's just like cruising around in the neighborhood, and you can get a really good amount of range with it. Birchta now sells a 40 mile an hour version of this bike. It's a dual motor, so you can get more speed out of it. The only mods I really have done to this is I have a new bar stem and new tires. So what you're seeing right now is pretty much how this bike will come once you buy it. The Birchta R5 Pro comes with a big headlight that gets a ton of radius, or whatever it's called. These are still stock brakes, but every once in a while you do have to get new mineral oil for the brakes. Again, thank you so much to Birchta for sponsoring this video. This is also a perfect bike for newer riders. It is for people that are taller in height, but you can get a new bar stem, which makes it a little bit better in that aspect. I'm about 5'5", and I fit perfectly on this bike now. I was about 5'2", 5'3" when I started riding this, and I had to like stretch really far like this to reach. But it does have a new bar stem on it too. I don't know if that affects anything with it, but it does make it a whole lot better. Again, I don't know if I have a discount code for this bike yet, or any bike on their website, but if I do, it is right here on the screen. I have taken this bike off-roading so many times and hit it off so many jumps, and it has done amazing with that. Little recap here. The Bursta R5 Pro has a 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery and a 1500 watt motor. It is good for all riders about 5 foot and up, maybe even shorter if you have like long arms or something, or if you modify the bar stem. And with that, we're gonna hop on the Ridstar. All right, let's hop on the Ridstar. Something I forgot to mention about the Bursta is that it's only $1,000, so it is so good for the price. Yo, this bike feels so good. I haven't been able to ride in a couple days.
Yo, I love the red. I love the red. What's good, bro?
Thank you, bro.
Did you get a new number plate?
Yeah, and I got a Baja.
Is this real carbon or?
Nah, it's a wrap.
Dang it, bro. Bro, I love your videos, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Yo, bro, you trying to do YouTube collab?
Like an edit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Bet.
All right, we're gonna do a little edit with him real quick. Yo, cop just pulled up here, over there. Out of here, bro. Alright, y'all, so it's about 20-30 minutes after that last clip y'all saw. I came back to my house, and the kid on the pedal bike told me that the cops left, and they said just don't ride in the grass. So we're gonna go back over there because I'm gonna sell that kid a camera, and then we're gonna go to my church for Wednesday night church. Alright, we're heading back to where we were so I can go sell that kid a camera. She got scared coming back here because I feel like they're gonna call again. Apparently it was some teacher that called, it was all mad about kids riding in the grass. Alright, here you go, bro.
Here you go, bro.
Thank you.
Have a good one, bro.
Hey, you too. Hey, that hunter was fake, not gonna lie, but it was for the content, you know. We're heading to church now. And after church it'll be dark, so I'll have a chance to show y'all the Baja light, and I'll be able to see it for myself. I'm gonna cut the camera to when it's night and I'm riding with the Baja. Alright, so it's not that dark out yet, but you can kind of see how bright it is, even with it being kind of bright outside. It looks so good on. And even with it off, it just looks really good, dude. I'm really happy with it. I have the light on my handlebar. I got the button on my handlebars, so it's a lot more convenient than having to reach over to the side to turn it on. So yeah, I like that. That's gonna be the end of today's video. If you all enjoyed it, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Sometimes